How far back he is?
Let's see that fly by. He's all the way back there. Ooh, careful. He's still not catching me, man. He's still not beating it.
Rolling start.
He's still not beating it. We're gonna see, you know, we're gonna see.
We gotta find somewhere we can do it.
I like that. I like that. Okay.
You see that power?
Yeah, it does. I see that. I see that.
From even here, 40 miles
But you're not
an hour,
catching this though.
still picking up.
You're not catching this though.
If I can keep it down, I'm there.
Okay.
I'm there.
We're gonna see. What is that? 80? What for the? I thought it was 72 volt, right?
Still 72 volt, but it's 450 amps.
Oh, you kind of tweak it. Okay.
Yeah.
Man, that thing crazy though. So how many of these you got now?
4.
This man, bro. Okay, okay, we're gonna see. We're gonna
powerful, bro.
I mean, I could tell like the difference though from like the previous one.
Yeah.
This one,
Yeah.
it's crazy.
Like, dude, it's just picking up, bro.
Why don't you get like a swing arm?
I am with one coming in a little bit longer, like 3 inches longer.
That would be good. That would be good.
And then I'm gonna change the wheels one size bigger.
Okay, okay. And then you can lower that too. I don't know,
Yeah.
right? You can lower the
Racing?
forks and
Yeah.
shit, and then
I'm gonna be down, bro.
yeah, that would be good. That would be crazy. That would be crazy.
Like, bro, any gas bike, mini bike, whatever, I'm smoking them, bro.
Right off the start.
Like, I'm gonna have to bet some money, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
When you race people, you gotta get like a 50-pound dumbbell. Put it like right there.
That's why when he get like the swing arm, that would be way better. And then that he can lower that,
Yep.
and then it'd be like more of a racing
Bro,
style.
even Ryan was sitting on it, he was still picking up.
Ryan?
Yes.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
Like, bro, this shit is scary.
Mm.
It's scary, bro.
We're gonna run it. We're
Yeah.
gonna run it.
We're
We're gonna run it. I'm excited. Oh yeah.
I'm 30, ready?
Oh, you want right? Okay.
3.
Hey, yo, what's good, gang? Your boy Scooterkel is back, man. I'm here with my boy Chino. He got a brand new build. Shit, hold on, little cobs tonight though. What's wrong with these cobs, gang? He just built like a brand new bike. That thing is frisky. That thing is crazy. I raced in the last time. Now again we're gonna race. But I'm gonna get you for sure. Yeah, let's go, bro. Woo. You want to stand in here?
Yeah, if I can keep the wheel down.
Alright.
We're going everywhere. You trying to go?
Yeah.
We ride fast though.
Going that way.
We can follow y'all.
We be riding fast.
Fuck.
We can ride fast.
Okay.
A little bit, I think.
That's good.
Oh,
You can't keep that shit down though. We telling them like we ride fast. They're not gonna keep up. They're not keeping up, bro.
He's like, well, hold on.
All right, I told you.
Here we go. Here we go.
I thought you was fast though.
We outside, baby. The ultimate race, baby. The Roadster versus 72 volt from my boy Chino. We finna go crazy, man. He can't do like a starter race, so we're gonna roll a little bit because that mini bike is way too powerful to keep the wheel up.
Okay.
So we're just gonna roll at that light or the second pole.
The second pole, yeah.
Yeah, then
well, yeah, where the tree is, right after that.
Oh, you mean the first, second?
Okay, the next pole right there.
The next one?
From right there, yeah.
So we're gonna reach that in the center.
Yeah.
All right. So you ready?
You're just gonna match me. All right.
All right.
You ready?
Yeah. Ready? Go.
I can't keep it down, bro.
I told you, bro. So how long do you want us to roll then?
I don't think it matters, bro. Like, I just gotta be easier on it.
Ah. Well, you can still keep on though. Yeah, I told him he can't keep on, bro. It wasn't even close. It wasn't close. This thing crazy, man. I'm telling you. The only bike like can get me right off the line, it's the start. It's the start, bro. The start is crazy. But when we roll, the start right when we roll, they can't keep up too.
Dude, this shit can't.
It's crazy though. It was crazy. I'm definitely gonna get one of these, bro. I'm gonna get one of these.
It's so fucking
Same
fast.
belt,
Yep.
just to mess around like the way it be popping a little wheelie and shit. Yeah, just like that. Again, it could fit in my apartment and shit like that.
Easy, bro.
Yeah.
They probably weigh the same as your
Yeah, yeah. No, I should have weighed lighter though.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah, I think you said 70, right? That's what he told me.
75?
And my shit weigh like 143. Yeah, it's that heavy.
Here they come,
You see
here they
that?
come, here they come.
Bro, I know, bro. I can pick the thing up like, look at that. That's crazy, man.
Dude, I can't keep the wheel down today. Like,
You should add another battery right there. Make it
That's
go
what I'm
longer.
saying, bro.
Yeah, I
If you
need to
get
put
if
some
you
weight
get
down.
the swing arm, bro. If
Yeah.
you get that and then lower that a little bit,
Look, I'll show
you're
you.
gonna
The
be
swing
good.
arm is nice too. Check this out.
man, I'm definitely gonna get this, bro. And guys, what's your thing, guys? Should I get this? You let me know, man. You let me know. I'm gonna get one of these.
Look, check that out, bro.
Dang.
Full aluminum metal build. You know, I don't know why.
It just looked like, you know, the other dude that you
It's
raced.
similar.
Yes,
similar.
it looks like that
Yeah.
too.
But it's way longer. You
Longer
know what
than
I'm
that,
saying?
okay. That would be perfect though,
Yeah.
cause you won't be doing wheelie then.
Right. No, this bike is not even for wheelies, bro.
Oh,
It should
okay.
be just
For
dude,
power and shit.
I'm telling you though, this is a 5 out of 10. Like, I can keep going, bro.
Yeah.
Like, as you can see, like, there's almost no purpose of going more power than this because
Right.
it's not even.
It's not gonna keep up. It's not gonna.
How
The
can you
front
ride it?
hill is gonna
Yeah.
keep down. So, I get what you're saying. I get what you're saying.
Oh shit! Look,
You want to join it?
my boy's about to be here. Right.
Right. They be going slow too. So.
There's a bicycle right out.
Right.
Dude,
Look at the Maybach, bro. That thing clean. Look at those rims, gang. I like the black and white finish. Dang, you can even see the tire, bro. You cannot see the tire, bro. That's crazy. I'm out here being nosy. But it's good though, the black and white finish with them little nice rims. Kind of remind me of GTA, bro. I have this car in GTA, man. I'm rich, but that's dope. We got that little gold car here, ready to roll.
imagine like where you go, powder shoots out.
Like really fast.
No, actually, very.
Bro, I thought I seen like coconut water somewhere around here, bro.
You what?
I seen like a coconut water.
Coconut water?
Yeah.
I assume it would be here.
Bro, it's right here. You need this.
Some
energy. Woo, we outside. Woo. Oh my God. You good? Yeah. Yes. Oh man, we are relaxing, eh? Oh man, crazy pool right now. Just a crazy pool right here, man. Everybody gonna spend it here, bro. I guess I'm the last person. Let's see what we got. I ate everybody off. Oh man. Now let's switch to 5 now. There you go. I hope my homies are doing good on battery though. For me right now, I got 95%. Let me ask them real quick. Oh, that boy really like, that boy doing really 35, 40 something miles per hour, bro. On that big bike. That's crazy. Good on battery? Are you good on battery? Catch up! Woo. was crazy. Where my boys at? Oh damn, up with Chino. He's wheeling. That way, that way. Hey man, if you're enjoying the content, man, y'all drop a like on this video, man. Drop a like, don't be stingy. No hands up. My steering damper is really stiff right now for high speed, as I can tell, man. We're going crazy. Woo. Let's go, baby. Doing a little U-turn here. Another no. You good on battery, bro?
Yeah, 60% still.
Oh, okay. You're giving it a really good test today, though. First ride.
I really do the whole tunnel at like 45, bro.
Yeah, I saw that, bro. At the first lights,
yeah.
It was crazy, bro. We were going like 45. You're doing wheelie, bro.
Dude, that shit felt
That's
insane,
crazy.
bro.
You good on battery, bro? You good on battery?
Yeah, I'm at like 64.
Okay. Oh, you're probably about the same.
I think I was 60%. Yeah, you, dude.
Yeah, he was ripping it though.
Yeah, bro. He was going crazy. Ooh, we finna head back to the Sadie, boy. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. Wheelie. Keep it going, Chino. Keep it going, Chino. Keep it going, Chino. Oh my God. That was doing like 40 miles per hour wheelie. Actually like 45 though. Oh my God. Oh my God. Actually 50 miles per hour wheelie, bro. That's crazy. Oh! Bro! You actually do like 50 miles per hour, bro.
40?
50.
50?
Yeah!
No!
Yo! Yeah! That's crazy.
Oh my God. No, that's crazy.
That's wire, bro. That was wire. Woo. I'm the last man behind, gang. Woo! Yeah, we wildin', man. There you go. Let me switch it to 5. Woo! There you go. Woo! Wow.
Let's go, man.
Hey guys, that should be it for the video, man. It was a little cruise ride, nothing too crazy. I mean, we did some crazy speed run though. But yeah, man, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like. If you haven't yet subscribed, man, hit that subscribe button, gang. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.